Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a spicy chicken karahi. Karahi is a Pakistani dish and it's a street food dish. Every people watch this in YouTube and think how to make. Today, I'm going to show you how to make chicken karahi according to Pakistani authentic recipe. You need oil in karahi. First of all, you need karahi. In that karahi, pour oil, add oil. Okay. Then wait the oil to become a little sizzling. Wait for the oil to become warm. Add 1 kg chicken. This recipe is for 1 kg chicken. If you want to add more for 2, you can multiply the recipe quantity according to that. Then wait for the chicken. Let the chicken to be become a little 60% cook, not 60, 40% cook. Then add garlic paste. Don't add the garlic. Garlic will not be come in your mouth. Mix it well. Okay, good, that's good. Mix well. So because garlic is used to avoid the smell from the chicken or any that, it will kill all the smells. You need tomatoes, green chilies and coriander. Cut the green chili from the center and put the top of the tomatoes. Cut the top of the tomatoes. Alright, now don't cut the tomatoes, just cut the head of the tomatoes. And then first of all, add green chili and some coriander. By mistake, you should add green chili. Tomatoes full, don't cut it, just cut the head. I'll tell you the technique in the end. Now add coriander. That's cool. That mashallah, it's good, huh? Cover it. Now check is no, flip it little bit. Check, no, though it's not cooked yet. Once more, cover it for 5 minutes more. Now see, it's flaming, right? Let us check it. Is it? No, I don't think it's now also done. Let it. No, it's done. No, add some salt of salt. Now don't add salt before. Add salt after. It will give a good taste. Now check it, mix it well because the salt will mix. Then cover it again and I'll tell your secret recipe after it. Now you're thinking the tomatoes. Peel off the tomato skin by this chimta. Add crushed chili, turmeric powder, crushed black peppers, ZEERA, cumin. Crush it. It's this street food type cutter. Actually, it's a non-stick cookware set. You can't heat that otherwise, but I recommend that to not cook it on steel. Right. Mix it well. Crush the tomatoes to make a gravy inside it. Curry. Basically curry and gravy is made up of tomatoes. It is a secret. Now add butter. Butter will give us good taste in it. A buttery taste. Yes. Mix it well to dissolve the butter equally. Taste in all karahi. I can smell the aroma. Right. Now cover it for a couple of minutes and then add some yogurt. Yogurt will give a good texture in it. Actually, it is my most famous video, so I think I should translate it in English so you guys can also get benefit from this video. Now add garnishing of coriander. And crushed black pepper and whatever you want to add in garnishing. Yeah, crushed black pepper and cumin. Now it's almost done. If you are not getting the same as it's shown in a video, it's me, you haven't subscribed to our channel. If you want to get the same, please subscribe to my channel. You'll get a same video. If your recipe, if your karahi don't look like this, it means you haven't subscribed to my channel. You need to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, don't subscribe, just press the bell icon so you'll never miss any video from me. Subscribe for new videos coming soon.